Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this 2014 Toyota order picker, model number 7BPUE 15210, ID number E007174. Now this order picker has a base capacity of 3,000 pounds and it runs on a 24-volt battery. It has roughly a little less than 4,500 hours on it, and you'll see there that we have that flashing yellow strobe as a safety feature. Now this mast is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 210 inches. Coming up here to the forks, you'll see that we have 42-inch standard taper forks, and I want to show you right here that we do have that pallet clamp, which allows you to grab onto your pallets, and to control that, you simply use that pedal on the floor. Now this big button here is your dead man switch, which is a good safety feature, as it cuts the power. As soon as you take your foot off of that button, it cuts the power. And you'll see here that we have our standard order picker console, as well as a place to put any paperwork that you might have. Now in terms of creature comforts, we have up here, we have lights on both sides with a simple switch, and we also have operator fans on both sides as well. Now this unit is cleaned, serviced, and is ready for immediate delivery. If you have any questions, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can see other equipment that we have available, as well as learn about features that you need to know about.